how to find cash buyers for wholesale deals on Zillow. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to find cash buyers for wholesale deals on Zillow. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up Zillow website on your PC or laptop. After that, log in or sign up to your account and then you'll be redirected to this page. So what you need to do is click on search bar located at the top. Enter the area where you want to find cash buyers. Here you'll see a list of properties. Click on each property to view details. Also check the price history and see if the property was listed for a short period. Then look for seller's name in the public records section if available. Next, analyze and contact cash buyers. At last, reach out to cash buyers. So that's how you can find cash buyers for wholesale deals on Zillow. That's all for this video.